Organizations that have implemented bots through POCs are getting frustrated quite fast because scalability for RPA without process mining is difficult. PathNow's RPA edition solved this problem. First, identify the best places to implement bots and then provide the means to calculate the beneficial impact of the RPA implementation. RPA Center of Excellence teams will boost their scalability opportunities with the PathNow RPA edition. The combination of RPA with process mining helps them to define their automation strategy, find suitable starting points, optimize processes prior to automation, and track the success of their efforts. Organizations can accelerate time to automation through bots with pre-built intelligence from PathNow.